have all the ingredients for our coconut sambol. We have our ginger, garlic, a little bit of onion, our spicy chili powder, salt, of course, and our lime. Now you can use any kind of lime. This just happens to be calamansi lime. Now this is our, of course, our gorgeous, freshly grated coconut from the market. It is so fluffy and moist. We're gonna add in a little bit at a time, just to taste it. About half the onion, a tablespoon of the garlic. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. A good amount of ginger, about the same amount as the garlic. Personally, I'm a fan of ginger. Just a little salt. About a quarter to a half teaspoon. And this is the most important. Just start with the smallest amount depending on how spicy you like your food. You can always add more. Then we're going to add in the lime. These take a little more work than a normal lime would. Just to have a little bit of juice. Their juice is oh so good. Start with that. See how it tastes. Now we're just going to mix everything together with our hands. Really squeeze it in there. The moisture from the coconut and the calamansi will really help to get it all squeezed together. All those flavors combined. Traditionally, this is made using mortar and pestle, but we don't have that here, so I'm using my hand as the pestle and this bowl as the mortar. Just really squeeze it together as if you were grinding it in a mortar or pestle. Now we're going to give it a little taste. See if it has the flavors we're looking for. Good amount of ginger. Right amount of lime. Say a little more salt, just a little more chili. Also gonna add just some more onion. Give that another taste. Much better. We needed that salt. And there you have it. Very easy. Coconut sambol.